Hi guys, hey, my name is Rahul and today we are going to unbox the Samsung's Galaxy A30. So Galaxy A30 was launched for 16,990 and it has Super AMOLED display, dual rear cameras and etc. Right now it's priced around 15,490 on Amazon and Flipkart and is also available offline. So I decided to try out a Samsung devices. So let's see how what is in the box and everything. So there are a lot of specs mentioned from the Infinity display, dual camera, 4000 mAh battery, 6.4-inch screen, 16 plus 5 dual camera, 16 front camera, 64 GB memory, 4 GB RAM, and it is make for India phone, secured by Knox and dual SIM. Yeah, it was launched for 16,990 as I mentioned. So right now Amazon has some crazy and great exchange offers. That's why I considered this phone. This is a blue color variant. For the blue color variant, you will get extra 2000 rupees exchange offer for this phone on Amazon. I don't know how long this offer will last, but right now it is there. So I want to try out this AMOLED display. So at this price point, it has a Exynos 7904 chipset, and it is not a gaming for anything like that. It has this amazing Super AMOLED display with Infinity U display of 6.4 inch, and it has a 16 MP camera with f1.7 aperture and a 5 MP ultra wide angle camera as a phone. So and there is also 4000 mAh battery with fast charging. So it is for the screen you are going to pay for this phone. So I was looking forward to have a Samsung Super AMOLED display phone, and if you think about it, is one of the least priced phone for a 1080p display. So there is Galaxy A20, it is a 720p display. Then there is Galaxy M30, but it does not have offers like this, like exchange offers and extra. So inside the box you can see this phone first. There was the paper pouch first, then the phone. So let me power it on and put it on aside, and let's get into the box more. So there is this uh, charger. So it's a fast charger, but I don't know how much fast it can charge. It is 9 volt, 1.6 amp or 5 volt 2 amp charger. So it's not that great or the fastest charger available or anything like that, but inside the box it is quite fast, so it's great. So then there is the USB type C cable. Yeah, the USB type C cable, that's good. I mean, there is still phones at 15K price with micro USB port, so this is a great thing from Samsung. So let me put this aside and let's go into the okay. There is a headphone. Yeah, it's a normal quality headset, nothing great or anything like that. So at least there is an earphone. So that's a change from other Chinese companies like Redmi and Xiaomi and sorry, Realme, etc. They don't provide as headphones. So and there is a SIM ejector too. Okay, then let's look at this paper pouch. What's inside it? I'm not sure whether there is a case. Yeah, there is the case. Okay, there is a case, a plastic TPU case, so transparent TPU case, and we also have this quick guide and quick start card and the service, the guarantee. So the warranty card and etc. And this nice CPU case is pretty good. So let me put these papers and everything aside and let's move into the phone. So as I mentioned, this is you are going to buy this phone for the brand and also for the Super AMOLED display because the chipset is not that great. You can get 675, 710 chipset from Redmi Note 7 Pro and Realme 3 Pro at this price point or less than this price. You can even get better chipsets at 10K or 9K phone. So yeah, let me peel off the plastics. It sounded nice. This I had to say, even though I bought this blue device because it has extra exchange offers, this looks really good. I mean, this looks like a glass. It's a plastic phone, obviously. It looks really good. So you can see that it has a 6.4 inch Full HD plus Infinity U Super AMOLED display. You can see the notch here, small dudok notch, or Samsung called the Infinity U. And on the top you can see that there is a microphone. Okay, there is plastics too. So let me see. So on the top you can see that there is only microphone. There's nothing like, right? Let me zoom in. Yeah, there's nothing, just the microphone. On the bottom we can see that there is a headphone jack, there is the USB type C port, then there is a microphone, then there is this speaker. Then on the sides you can see that there is the power button and the volume rocker key. I can get beyond this. This blue color looks really cool. Okay, as I mentioned, the volume rocker key and the power button is on the side. And on the side you can see there is the SIM tray. Let me remove it and see how it's, whether it's a hybrid slot or anything like that. Okay, I'm not getting it. Let me try it once more. Okay, there is something on the SIM tray, like the deep. Okay, now it's removed. Whoa, it's not a hybrid slot, it is a proper 3 port SIM tray, right? Dual SIM and a micro SD can be used together. Plus one for Samsung. Then there is this gorgeous bag, as I am again and again distracted with that when light falls on it. Looks really cool. The blue looks nice. I mean, there's a Samsung logo, then the fingerprint scanner, then there is the 16 MP f1.7 aperture primary camera, then there is a 5 MP ultra wide camera, and there is a flash. Okay, there is something on the back again. So let me turn on the phone. Okay, I mean, just look at the display. It looks so good. It looks so, the colors looks good. This because it's a super AMOLED. So on the about phone you can see that it's a Galaxy A30, and I'm sorry for this, I cannot find the details. I have been not using Samsung phones for quite time. So that's a one UI version 1.1, then the Android version is 9. uh, Security update version is Android security patches on April. I am expecting a new update here, but I will see into the update again. So battery information, it has a 4000 mAh battery. That's cool, that's really good. So okay, that's it. I mean, let me search for the storage here. I cannot find. I mean, I told you I have not used a Samsung phone as my personal device for a long, so settings are confusing. General management, I couldn't find the. I can find the software update now. Okay, data usage, not that. Advanced features, there is the direct share and more, lot of motion and gestures and everything. So this Samsung's UI is little bit confusing for me because I have seen everything. Now I have found it. The device guy, you can see this lot of options here, and the storage. Okay, let us see how it's. So we have 14.4 GB so used. So available space is 49.6 GB out of the box. So that's great. So let the camera, it's a typical Samsung camera UI. I have used Samsung cameras before. I mean, my friends have Samsung phones, so camera is used, but not the UI very well. So it clicks really fast, and the ultra wide angle. Okay, so that's clicked, and let's go to the main sensor, which is the best one. Okay, let me see the resettings. Okay, nothing special. Scene optimizer, obviously that is a AI mode like thing. And there is only full HD. It can not record. It cannot record 4K. So on the front and back, it can record full HD. So that is that. You can see this here, right? Okay, I'm going to turn on the grid lines. I love these grid lines. I really like to use the grid lines. Okay, then you can turn on the watermark. It's a huge watermark. I don't know why Samsung have to include such a big watermark for their photos. They have to make it short. Okay, then there is 3, 4:3, 16:9, 1:1, and the full screen photos like this. See, you can take full screen. It looks cool, but I like to click 4:3 photos, so I will keep it on 4:3. That is right. This for sensor. Okay. So live focus is a panorama is there. Then there's a depreciated pro mode there. There is ISO, WB and everything. Then there's live focus for depth mode photos, etc. Then the front camera is the 16 MB with f2.0 aperture. Mm, so it can click quick photo. So okay, obviously it has same settings as previous ones, right? No change. So that is that for the unboxing. I will share few samples of the stills and few video samples along with this unboxing video. Check it out. I have been using this phone for quite some time, so review will be out as fast as soon as possible. So thank you for watching the video. See you on the next one. Bye bye. This is the rear camera sample of Samsung Galaxy A30, which can shoot up to 1080p at 30 fps. This is the front facing camera sample of Samsung Galaxy A30, which can shoot up to 1080p.